Hello, NCECA. My name is Sam McCall, and I'm excited to share that I'm a candidate for the NCECA Student Director at Large. I'm based in Athens, Ohio, and I'm currently pursuing my Master's of Fine Arts in Ceramics at Ohio University. My background in ceramics is mostly rooted in wood firing, a practice that I've been committed to for the past 7 years. What's kept me invested isn't just the material or the process, but the strong sense of community that wood firing tends to cultivate. It's always been a collective effort, people often working together towards a shared goal, and I think that camaraderie is one of the things that initially drew me into clay in the first place. As I've grown into leadership roles, organizing firings and workshops, I've found real purpose in helping to create these same types of meaningful experiences for others. Most recently, I co-organized the Ohio University Atmospheric Conference, which brought together 10 guest artists and over 70 students and participants for firings, demonstrations, and lectures. Being on the organizing side really taught me how collaborative and creative community building is, and how events like NCECA continue to spark connection and belonging within our communities. I see NCECA as a vital space where students, educators, and artists all come together across different backgrounds, experiences. I've been volunteering with NCECA since 2022, and I've seen firsthand how the organization empowers students to shape the future of the field. As student director at large, I want to amplify student voices and expand access through increased opportunities to showcase student work, engage with one another, and connect with the broader ceramics communities. I'm especially motivated to help support inclusive programming, scholarships, and digital engagement so more students can participate meaningfully. I bring values of inclusivity, collaboration, and mentorship to this role, and I'm committed to representing students with openness and accountability. I would be honored to serve in NCECA and help ensure that students continue to feel represented, supported, and inspired within our field. Thank you.